everyone, I'm Mandy, and today I'm excited to walk you through the Klim Alpine Jacket and Bib. Before we dive in, I just want to address a big question I hear, which is, should I go with a one-piece suit like the shred set or a bib combo like this Alpine jacket? Both of these are designed for aggressive mountain riding because they're not insulated pieces, but there is a little bit of difference between the two. A one-piece is going to have a lot of movability for you as a rider, and it's pretty comfortable. But one thing I love about a jacket and bib combination is they're a little bit warmer, and really one of the former disadvantages was not having a drop seat, and now there is a drop seat on this Alpine bib and jacket. And so if you're looking for a piece that you can wear pretty much every day of the riding season, the jacket and bib combination is really great for that. So let's dive into the features of the Alpine Jacket and Bib. The Alpine Jacket delivers a 2-layer Gore-Tex performance shell, guaranteed to keep you dry with lasting breathability. And again, that's that great combination. Water can't get in, but your body heat can get out. It's made from 100% polyester, 150 denier fabric, and it's finished with water repellent finish and fully seam sealed. You'll find 3M Scotchlite carbon black reflective hits for visibility, a tethered D-ring for safety, and YKK zippers throughout. This design eliminates overlays for reduced bulk and includes a double-headed front zipper. This makes this incredibly functional in all kinds of winter conditions. On warmer days, there are full pit vents that allow excellent airflow when you might need it most. The jacket also includes 2 hand pockets, 1 internal pocket up here, as well as a key clip there and a goggle chamois on a tether over here. This women's specific fit ensures comfort and fit when you're riding in the backcountry. The jacket includes a moisture wicking hanging liner, adjustable micro fleece collar, adjustable cuffs with thumb hole gaiters, an adjustable bottom hem, and a snap away powder skirt. The hood is removable, adjustable, and quick release for convenience. There's so many ways you can customize this jacket to fit you. Now underneath we have the Alpine Bib, which also uses a 2-layer Gore-Tex performance shell for waterproof and breathable protection. It's made from the same 150 denier polyester fabric and is fully seam sealed. You will not get wet in this suit, I promise you. Durability is enhanced with 600 denier overlays in high wear areas like the knees, inner boot panels, and the bottom hem. So this is really going to hold up for the season. Klim's exclusive seat dry text keeps moisture out, and full-length side zips with double-headed water-resistant zippers add versatility. The full-length double-headed zippers also function as vents for temperature regulation and make it really easy to get dressed in the morning because you can literally slide these bibs over your boots. You get 2 external thigh pockets for convenient storage on the bibs, and the bibs also have a women's specific fit, a moisture wicking hanging liner, an improved drop seat for convenience, which I can't speak about highly enough. It is so convenient to have a drop seat when you're riding in the backcountry. Additional features include Velcro boot gaiters, boot retention loops, non-slip adjustable suspenders, removable knee pads, you can keep them in or take them out depending on your preference, knee articulation for movability, and 4-way stretch upper full height bib sides for comfort and flexibility, and again, a little more warmth on your core. Both the jacket and the bib include 3M Scotchlite reflective material and 3M Thinsulate insulation with mesh hem and sleeve cuffs for water drainage. Once again, this is such a great combination for high performance non-insulated shell for women. You might have layers underneath, but this is just a shell itself. This is the best climb gear setup for aggressive female riders who want a jacket and bib combination. If you're a mountain rider who values mobility, durability, and all-season protection, Alpine Jacket and Bib combination is probably your ideal setup. Thanks for joining me today. Ride safe, stay dry, and we'll see you out there on the snow.